8-inch HD display. That's 1280 to 720 pixels display. That's a pretty decent display. It has quite decent viewing angles, as you can see. The screen is a bit reflective, but it has quite a decent brightness level, so you can definitely use this device in the outdoor as well. So above the display you have a VGA front facing camera along with earpiece and proximity and ambient sensor. This supports 3G calling, so proximity and ambient sensors were a must. So when you hold the device near your ear, the display is turned off. Below the display you have just the Huawei branding. It comes with on-screen control, as you can see. At the back plate you have metallic finish, which gives it the premium look and finish. That's a pretty decent tablet for this price range. It really feels quite premium from the back. It has a 5 megapixel back camera, Huawei branding over here, and we do not have anything else on the back of the device. At the bottom of the device you have a micro USB port, mic. That's a primary mic for voice calling. It supports 3G voice calling as well. On the right side you have a flap over here, as you can see. So let me just show you. It supports SIM. It supports micro SIM over here and a micro SD card. Let me open that for you. So here are the two slots for the SD card and the SIM card slot. Here you have the power of the lock key and a volume rocker. So talking about the other side, on the other side you don't have any port or the buttons. At the top you just have a 3.5mm audio jack. So overall this tablet have a pretty decent build quality and design. It's an 8-inch tablet. It feels quite premium from the back, and it is available for less than 10,000 Indian market. So it's a pretty good tablet in terms of design and the build quality. Talking about the hardware and the software part, the device is powered by a 1.2 GHz quad-core processor along with 1 GB of RAM and 8 GB of internal storage. You obviously get a micro SD card over here, so you can expand the storage. So storage won't be an issue on this tablet. And talking about the Android version, so it runs on Android 4.3 Jelly Bean OS, as you can see. So that's not the latest Android version, but we are hoping that Huawei would release updates for this device as well. It has Emotion UI 1.6. So let me just close the settings and show you the UI. So that's the basic UI. So it's a pretty modified UI. If you bring down the drop down menu, you can get a bunch of options over here. Overall this is a pretty decent tablet in less than 10,000. It is available exclusively on Flipkart from 6th October. And looking at the build